The derivative for the function sine is cosine. Cosine. The derivative for the function sine is cosine. Cosine. We start off with a sine and u. The derivative is a times u. Then a cosine comes afterwards. Then the u. The derivative for the function cosine is sine. Is sine. The derivative for the function cosine is sine. Is sine. We start off with a cosine of u. Our derivative negative a times a u. And the sine comes afterwards times a u. The derivative for the function tangent is secant squared. Secant squared. The derivative for the function tangent is secant squared. Secant squared. We start off with a tangent in u. Derivative is a times du, and the secant squared comes afterwards in the u. The derivative of the function cotangent is cosecant squared. Cosecant squared. The derivative of the function cotangent is cosecant squared. Cosecant squared. We start off with a cotangent in u. Derivative negative a times du, and the cosecant squared comes afterwards and then u. Derivative for the function secant is secant and tangent. The derivative for the function secant is secant and tangent. We start off with a secant and u. Derivative is a times a u, and the secant u, and tangent u afterwards. Derivative for the function cosecant is cosecant, cotangent. The derivative for the function cosecant, cotangent. We start off with a cosecant and u. Derivative negative a times a u, and cosecant u afterwards and cotangent u.